Hi, I'm Stu Clark, Research Director at TERRO, and today I want to show you the TERRO Roach Magnet. As we expand our line of roach control products, I'm really excited that we have this one. What you want to do to keep insects out of your house is you want to detect when they show up early, and then you want to prevent them. And this product does both. There's no poison in this product. What there is an attractant lure, a pheromone. How does it work? It's got a sticky surface inside. I like to put it in my basement, underneath the stairs. Also, I have a basement door. I'll put it there. Sometimes I'll put it in the garage. I have a patio. I'll put it out there. And then I'll check it. And I might find other insects. I might find spiders. Let me know if I have a spider problem, but I might find a roach. And when I find that cockroach, then I'll put a couple more out. Why is a cockroach even gonna get stuck on this? And this is the cool part. It contains a pheromone. Now, a lot of pheromones, okay, what is a pheromone? A pheromone is usually a sexual attractant to an insect. It will draw either a male or female insect in. Well, you can buy pheromones for cockroaches from China and Japan and other locations, but not the pheromone we have. We grow it in our lab. We use our cockroaches, so we know the quality of the pheromone that's in here. So, you could say it's a homegrown pheromone. So it's always, always, always good to have a sticky insect trap in and around discreet places in your house, and then you just check them. So it's really the first defense, the first stop that you can put to cockroaches coming in your house. TERRO Roach Magnet.